My sneakers know you've been lying, so we run away. My sneakers know I've been crying, they take me away. My sneakers know you've been lying, so we run away. My sneakers know I've been crying.
Yo, what's cracking YouTube? It's me, your host, Nick, your favorite sneakerhead. Once again, bringing up a sneaker pickup / sneaker review. Before we get started, I need you to do me a favor. Oh, wait, hold up. Rewind that. Early review. Okay. Before we get started, I need you to do me a favor. Like, subscribe, share. Follow my TikTok, my sneaker Instagram, my main Instagram on the description below. Click the notification bell so every time I post new content, you'll be notified. All right, so like I said in the beginning, what I cleaned up in the beginning, this is an early review. I think the sneaker drops in like 2 weeks or something like that. But I was able to get this in hand, so I was like, I gotta bring my peoples, gotta bring my YouTube community, the Tune Squad, another early review, because y'all know I love doing early reviews. So I'm enough talking. I'm not even gonna drag this out. We're gonna get to the spot so I can give you this early review. Then we're gonna come back so I can give you some proper information about the shoe. So stay tuned for that, and I'll be right back. Okay. As you can see, we got that Jordan box with the silhouette of Jordan's face right there. You see the eyes right there, the nose and everything like that. They haven't done this in a while, if I'm not mistaken. He used to do it a lot. I'm not too sure because I never owned a Jordan box with this, but I do remember they used to do this a lot, if I'm not mistaken. Comment below if they did, if they didn't. I'm sorry if I got the information wrong. But anyway, all black box. See the eyes? That's kind of creepy. All right, let's read the description. Air Jordan 3 Retro OG, black, chili red, neutral gray. This is a size 9. I have not made up my mind if I want to get these or not. I'm really not a fan of Jordan 3s, but I like the colorway on this, so haven't made up my mind. So maybe a personal pair, but we don't know. All right, let's get into it. Got that elephant print paper. Got the flight. Excuse me, I had to burp. Got the flight right there with the Jumpman. All right, put this right here. I hate when they come super wrapped up. Oh, I hate when look at this, like this. I hate when they come super wrapped up. Boom. Close that up. Set this up right there. Boom. Boom, one. And without further ado, we got the Air Jordan 3 Rare Air. Boom. Okay, we got the Air Jordan 3 Rare Air. Right off back, I do like this leather. This leather looks very nice, a little plush. I do like that black leather. Got hints of that blue right there. Got the cream midsole, the air bubble unit right there. Got the gray. I think this is nubuck. I want to say nubuck. I don't think it's suede. It might be. I always get nubuck and suede mixed up on the back heel. This would have been a lot better if it was elephant print. If this was elephant print, this would have been fire. But yeah, the gray, Nike Air on the back, red. Got that cream pull tab, almost like an oldish look. Don't worry about this. This is just a white little tab. This comes out, but I ain't gonna take it out. That cream oldish age look a little bit. I'm kind of tired of them doing the age look on Jordans. They need to stop doing that. Comment below if y'all tired of the age look. This little, I don't know what this is. I see this on a couple Jordans too, like little, I don't even know what it's, Japanese, Chinese, Korean, I don't know what it is, but right there. Black laces, red Jumpman on the tongue, that same material in gray. Like I said, I think it's a nubuck. I think it could be wrong. Got the gray little lace tags right there. Insole is black. Got some extra laces in there. What we got? We got white laces, extra white laces. Put that back up in here. Boom. Yeah, I mean, pretty good shoe. I mean, now that I'm really looking at them, probably gonna pass on these. I mean, I got the review, so I don't really need the personal pair shoe. don't really see myself putting this with a fit. I'm not saying it's going to be hard to put with a fit, because it's not, but I don't think I need this. This is probably going to be thumbnail right there. Try to get my hand out. There we go. Boom. That's going to be thumbnail. Anyway, not really big on this. Got the Nike and blue right there with the red pod on the outer sole. Yeah, I mean, it's not an ugly shoe. I don't think I need this. And I think it's going for $200. You know, when I get back home, I'm gonna give y'all some proper information, like the price. These drop, I think, the 30th, the end of the month. So what else comes out the end of the month? The Jordan 4s come out on the white cements come out on the 24th, which I did hit on sneakers. So that's one pair secured. I'm going to double up on them. The Kobe's drop, I think the 27th, if I'm not mistaken. And then some Kobe slides drop also. I do want a pair. They cheap. They're like $40. The blue Kobe slides. I don't think I need these. I'm going to be real. I'm probably going to pass on these. Y'all let me know if this is a copper drop for y'all. What y'all think about these. But, all right. Let's get back to the crib so I can give y'all some proper information about the Air Jordan 3 Rare Air. Okay. We back. Got y'all some early review looks on the Air Jordan 3 Rare Air. I hope that's what the name is for that shoe too. Hold on, let me I should have already had this ready, but y'all know me. Excuse me. I like to give y'all some information. So I should have had this ready though. Let me see. Rare Air. I hope that's what the name is. Yes. Okay. I was scared that I was saying the wrong name the whole time. All right, so I'm gonna give y'all some information off of, let me see, who we gonna go with? We're gonna go with Sneaker News. Shout out to sneakernews.com. It'll be up. You can read along with me. Let's see, 3, 2, 1. Boom. Now it is now up. So like I said, you can read along with me. All right, so reads. This is updated on April 24th. I'm sorry, I said 24 on the wall. It's not even, it's nowhere near the 24th yet. It's updated on April the 4th, so that was last week. Wait, no, that was last month. I'm all over the place. I apologize. I keep on forgetting this May. Official images of the upcoming Air Jordan 3 Rare Air has surfaced, although a release date is currently expected on May 30th. So that's like in 2 weeks from now. Some retailers overseas have the schedule for an April date. Stay tuned for updates. Okay, hold on. That can't be it. Okay, here we go. I get kind of comfortable. All right. Excuse me. I'm to get over this cold. With the Rare Air series set to debut this weekend with the duet of gender-exclusive Air Jordan 1s, Jordan Brand is now preparing the launch of the more coveted of the short-lived series, the Air Jordan 3 Rare Air here. We will break down everything you need to know about this upcoming release. Well, I guess this is a new series like the Reimagined series, or like you know how they do like these little mini series inside the Jordan Brand. Remember I told y'all that I was like on the fence about getting the shoe. I'm probably not gonna get the shoe. I got the review, and as y'all can see, like my sneaker collection is dwindling. Like I had over 200, 300 pairs of shoes. Now I'm down to like maybe like 50 or something like that. So I just feel like I'm at a point where like I know I'm not gonna wear all these shoes, so what's the point of having them? You feel me? So like, especially a shoe like this, and I'm not a reseller, so I don't really care about collecting the shoe to resell it. You feel me? So like I just, why even waste the time to get it? So, and most of the time I gotta get these shoes when they drop, which is a Saturday. That's Saturday morning, because I referee Saturday afternoon. So do I really want to wake up early to get a shoe I'm not gonna wear? All right. Anyway, the Air Jordan 3 Rare Air is marked by a black, chili, red, neutral, gray, military blue, coconut milk colorway spec. That's a lot. Matching the upcoming Air Jordan 4 of the series. They come out with the Air Jordan 4 also. However, the similarities in there. The Jordan 3s go with a classic tumbled leather and black, matching last year's epic Air Jordan 3 black cement release. I think I got rid of my black cements. I'm kind of mad I got rid of my black cements, but they're not really going for nothing. I can always get some more. The model's key detail, the elephant print at the toe guard. I didn't see no elephant print. Oh my god, is that elephant print? How? I had to show my hand. I don't think that's elephant. Anyway, where we at? Toe guard and heel have been complete. Oh, it has been completely removed. See, that's why I need to stop stopping myself to read. Yeah, I know what no elephant print is. It's been removed in favor of smooth suede and neutral gray. Remember I said it probably looked better with elephant print. Hints of coconut milk on the midsole and the heel plate. Knows an age aesthetic that has yet to depart from sneaker trends. I don't like that. I told y'all and when I had the shoe, I didn't like the age look. The most distinguished characteristic of the rare Air Jordan 3s is undoubtedly the inverted Nike Air logo on the right heel. Side by side, the classic brand emblem is displayed via a mirror image. Whoa, I did not notice that. Oh my God. I didn't even notice that. Maybe I didn't look at, I think I only looked at the back of the left one, that's why. Wow, I did not even notice that on the right one, the Nike Air is backwards. So if you look in the mirror, it looks normal, but like from just regular holding the shoe, it doesn't. Didn't know that. Okay, all right, that's different. Is these images? Yep, I didn't even look at the other shoe. Okay, damn. The more I see these, the more I like. They look pretty good. They look better than the black cements, but I don't need these. I gotta get off this because I'm gonna talk myself into buying this shoe. Release date is May 30th, 2025. Retail price is $200. Let me close this out. Yeah, what y'all think about it? I'm not gonna lie, seeing the pictures, and that's weird because like I just had the shoe in hand. I was like, ugh. Seeing the pictures made me kind of like, do I want these? I still got 2 weeks, but I probably don't get them because, like I said, the Kobe's come out. I would rather double up on a Dodger Kobe's than get this shoe. So, and then the white cements is a week prior to this, and I'm definitely doubling up on that. I already got my one pair from Sneakers out. I need to hit another pair, so which I know I'm going to do because it's a massive GR. So, I'm probably not going to get these, but we gonna see. Anyway, y'all let me know in the comments below if this is a copper drop for y'all. Do y'all like these? Or you want to pass on it? You think this is just another retro they throwing out there? Like, subscribe, share, follow my TikTok, my sneaker Instagram, my main Instagram, all in the description below. Click the notification bell so every time I post new content, you'll be notified. And as always, from me, your host Tune, aka your favorite sneakerhead, represent a whole Tune squad. You know what to do. Have a nice day.